welcome to the vlog.
Yeah, we are in the place to be.
I'm not trying to make a habit of this, but I'm out again in the daylight doing a bit of location scouting. This area up at Burbage has always been one of my favourites anyway, but I was inspired by seeing a post on Instagram from a guy called Ladoza. I'll link to his page below or up there or somewhere, I don't know, I've looked for it. He's a awesome sort of local photographer and artist. One of his shots, I just thought that composition was going to look so good at night, so I thought I'd come and try and find whereabouts it was, get a rough idea, and yes, that's what we're doing. Just having a little scout around up here and just seeing what we can find. Right, so when we arrived, I didn't have a signal on my phone, so I couldn't check the image for sort of reference, but now we've come a little bit further along, I've got a bit of signal on my phone, so I've had a look at the image and I'm going completely the wrong place. We should be way over there somewhere, but never mind, I know where I'm going now. I'm pretty sure I can find it in the dark, so we're just going to have a little explore further up here, and I'm going to come back when it's dark and find that spot. It's going to be good. I'm excited about this composition. Also just found another awesome location. This old quarry here where they used to make all these coal millstones would be really cool for shooting at night. Looking up towards, I don't know if you can just see, you might be able to make it out that sort of lone tree on the edge there, shooting up that way with a nice sort of starry sky. That's going to look awesome. Anyway, long story short, there's loads of potential nice nighttime compositions up here. Oh, I think tonight I'm definitely going to be getting wet feet. Oh yeah, there it goes. Ah, shit. So I'm going to try and make my way from oh, whoa. This is literally a pond. Oh. Right, I'm on completely the wrong side, got to backtrack. Oh man, why is it so wet along here? Trying to make my way up to up through Carl Wark, well over the top of Carl Wark, so I can shoot Higger Tor in the background. I'll put a link below actually to the Wikipedia page for this area or Carl Wark. It's very interesting. It used to be a fort. I thought I could cross the stream here, but maybe not. I was going to go for it. I'm just going to walk across. That wasn't too bad. A bit wet, but didn't worse. Oh, Christ. More bog at the other side. Believe it or not, I have actually been here before as well. Oh, wow. It's a lovely clear night. It's actually a shame I'm not higher up, because looking back the other way, I'm sure there was a cloud inversion in the valley back that way. That's not what I'm here to capture tonight. I'm definitely not staying here long because I'm absolutely soaked already. I'm really cold. So I've made it up to Carl Wark, which is about halfway to where I want to be. Yeah, it was an Iron Age fort, so links below. There's loads of awesome history for this place. You can see the parts of the sort of fortifications, all these rocks along the edge. This spot where I am right now, there's an opening in the side of the rocks on Carl Wark. It sort of opens out. You can see Higator in the distance, so I'm going to take a quick shot just to see how it comes out. Like a wall on the top of here. It's pretty cool. I'm actually going to incorporate this into a shot looking up towards Higator, and then we'll have some stars above that too. It should look pretty nice. Climb towards Higator, trying to find that specific rock from this picture of Lodozas. I've got a rough idea where it's going to be, but I'm not entirely sure. Whilst I'm here, I'm just going to do a quick shot of the path kind of leading us up there. After trudging through several bogs, I ended up giving up. I'm going to return into the town to find that spot. Ironically, when I got home, I figured out exactly where it was. Because of the mess about I'd had, I also ended up giving up on that lone tree spot from earlier. Thanks for watching. Check out all the interesting links below, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next vlog.